Hello all, this is Madhav and welcome back to my channel. So today again I have brought you a new certification course and which is totally free and it's a famous platform which is called Cisco. So it is, if you are talking about IT and networking backgrounds, then Cisco is the famous field, and you can also include the certificate in the resume. Now I will show you step by step process. So firstly, go to netcat.com in Google, and I will also provide the link in the description, and go to the first link here, and now you can see UI came of Cisco UI came. Now after scrolling down, you can see nearly 6 courses available here. So in the 6 courses, only IoT, cybersecurity and OS and IT, that is nothing but Linux systems. So only these courses are provided free in this holidays. Now the nav bar, go to courses, and the courses, go to all courses. Here you can see all the courses which are provided by the Cisco. So you can select the course according to the skill and also according to the language, and you can also choose the topic of the course. But here they are all the paid courses. So if you want only free courses, remove this instructor led checkbox. Now all the courses which are present here are total free of cost, and you will also get a certificate at end of the course. Now I will show you how to enroll, and I will enroll in front of you to introduction to cybersecurity, and press learn more option. Here you can see new tab has opened. Now at the right side of the page you can see the details of the course, which is 15 hours length, and the cost is free, and the level is beginning. To enroll into this course you have to sign up. So at the left side you can sign up with English language or the language which you admire. Now you have to fill up the form. You have to fill up your first name, last name, and make sure you give your correct email, because they will be sending you email verification. So please make sure that your email is correct, and you have to enter your captcha which is necessary. And you can also see that you want to get notifications and promotional things, contents from the Cisco, and now you have to submit it. Here I got some warning, captcha verification is not done. So I think I have clicked that submit button twice, that is why it's showing a wrong thing. Now it will work. Let me open my Gmail account beside. Here it is the main page where the Cisco main UI. So here you have to register, and you have to create your password, and the password should contain at least one character, one capital, and one number also at least. So make sure your password is much stronger. After, you have to re-enter your password. Even here we have got another captcha. And after that you can press register. So let us wait. Now you have to sign in with your username or email which you have just entered into that application. And after giving your email or username, click on next. and after clicking on the next, you have to give your password which you have created just now. So now it will ask for the verification code which has sent to our email ID. So let me reload. Yeah, so we have got an email from Cisco, and here the activation code is 714 and 692. Let me type. Let's verify it. Yes, it is. So email has verified. Now it will redirect us to a new page where we have to fill up all the additional details. So normally this process is very long. So frankly speaking, it's a very long process and really irritating process. So you have to fill up all this form. For now, you can just skip now to explore your course. And that's all. We have opened our dashboard. Now as you can see, you have got enrolled into Introduction to Cybersecurity. Now let us launch the course. It's redirecting your organization. So now you have to launch the course, or you can see at the left side the options as My Netcad account, dashboard, courses, calendar and inbox. So in inbox you will get messages from the instructors regarding the course, and because I don't have any messages because just now I have enrolled into this course now. And here also you can see launch course, home, modules, discussions, grades, assignments, quizzes and collaborations. So when you go to modules, you can see chapter wise things, and that course is divided by chapter wise, and at the end of each chapter you can see there is a quiz to check your knowledge, and after all you have to give a feedback to them which is necessary, and at last you have to write the final exam which is important to get your certificate. And at the right side you can see all those topics which are you have to learn for the final exam. So if you got a good grade, then only you can get your certificate. And in the discussions tab you can see the questions asked by students regarding the course. So here you can see the first question is can't get certificate of completion. So this is the major problem here. I will tell you at the end of this video that how from where we can get our certificate. So only at that place you will get your certificate. So in the assignments you will see the assignments what you have attempted, and the quiz sections your record will be saved in the quiz section, and you can even collaborate your Cisco account with your Google account. So normally if you are certified in Cisco, then that certificate will be passed to your Google account. Now I will show where are all those certificates here. So here you can see certification and letters. So after pressing that, now you can see your certificates in this page. So that's all for today. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up at the down. So bye bye, stay tuned.